Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review Bitcoin Fortify. Now let's just open the app. You can see right here it's from Blink Financial Incorporation. We need to wait for a little bit of time. It won't be long, trust me. Again. Yes, now finally we're arrived. Just click that play button and start playing the game. Yes, it takes another good amount of time uploading, but it's completely normal. It always happens. Okay, now what we are going to do is to hit the donut, lollipop, or any food right here with the fork. Actually, if you don't like to use fork or feeling like using fork is kinda weird, you can change it to knife with these cookies you get. See, I have 331 cookies. Level 4. Okay, level 4. Just one more. I don't want to revive. Yes, good. Now it's the last level 5 boss fight. It's not going to be easy. It's kind of tricky sometimes about the movement, so don't be rushed and just wait for the right moment. Hit it again and just two more, please. I don't want to revive. I don't want to make. I'll show you the withdrawal proof next. Yes, good, finally done. Score 42, level 5.